Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and on this channel, I talk about photography tips and tricks, tutorials, behind the scenes, vlogs. If you want to learn how to shoot well and you want to learn how to grow, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you. And for today's video, I'm going to be taking you through my birthday mini vlog. So welcome back to my channel, and today I'm starting with going to the office, and here's what my office looks like. When you walk into this ambience, you love to come back to work. So I had to come to work, get some work done, like hustle for my urgent 2K. Yeah, so basically that's what it looks like. Ambience, yeah, outlets for you. So you could stop by, chill, hang out, support your girl. This urgent ticket must be made, right? Anyway, back to my vlog after the mini tour. So had to get back to work. This is me working. I have to. And then after that, I went to get my makeup done. Like, isn't it beautiful? Yeah. After my makeup, I had to go get some pictures. So this is me on my way going to the photo studio to get my pictures taken. And while I'm waiting, I'm goofing around, playing around, trying to, practice my poses. Like, it's so hard trying to get some poses done when it's you. I like to have people in front of the camera. And when it comes to me, I try though. I try. Look at that glam, that dress. And by the way, that's my first birthday gift. Since looking fly, makeup on check, dress on check, hair on check. Like, it's the birthday girl, y'all. So while waiting for the photographer to get set up, I'm having some fun in the studio while waiting for my after the close up studio, and I went to watch a movie. Yeah, had to take some time for myself. That's me going to the cinema. After seeing the movie, I was hungry, so had to get something to eat. And whenever you see food, you see me. So this is what I had. Like, this is the first meal I had after the whole stress of the shoot, and I grabbed a drink too. And after that, I went to pick up my birthday cake. You guys. So I stopped by Sweet Suits to pick up my birthday cake, and the ambience was giving. Just look at that. Anyway, I picked up my birthday cake, and it was worth it. I mean, just look at that cake. Look at that. Happy birthday to me. Oh my god. I just had to take a video of that because, I mean, it's once in a year. So, happy birthday, Margaret. Yay. So after I got my cake, I had to go and get bole. Food number two. If you know PH and you visit PH, you can't go and live without trying Port Harcourt bole. You won't get it anywhere else. Just look at the fish, be giving. Like, do you know what? PH to the world, yeah. So I couldn't have all. I had to take some home to finish it. Thank you, guys. Hi, y'all. Thank you so much for the love I received yesterday. It was so amazing. And I felt so happy. So, thank you. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, now would be a great time to follow me on YouTube. Please, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you. Thanks for joining me on my first vlog. Here are some of the pictures I took. Bye.